guys, this is DIY Toilets again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, we're gonna go upgrade with my cigarette lighter, charger, whatever the thing is, 12 volts, with a new update with this one, the cigarette lighter thing, socket, and we're gonna have this USB charger and the USB-C port charger. Alright, so these are the parts that we're gonna install to the new, and it has all these hardware on it, the plate, the wires, and the fuses. So reason why we're gonna put a new one, so because this one is kind of like loose, so every time I make a turn, this one goes that way or this one goes that way, so it's annoying. So I'm gonna take this off. You see, I even put tape on it because it doesn't hold. So what we're gonna do is take the plate. We're gonna take this off first and then take this off, and we'll see. All right, let's go. Well, I did not take this off because I already take this thing off already. Just pried it on the side. There's lock in it over there, so that's what I did. So I don't have to take this thing off. Alright, so and I unplugged the cable, but for this is the airbag. I'm not gonna touch it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this over here. Like that, and then I'm gonna put this in there, and we'll see. There it is. Okay, I hope you can see it, guys. This is gonna be my thing. That and then what I'm gonna do, that, and just gonna line it. Okay, just gonna tight it more. I'm just gonna tight it with my hand, and then so see, it's like that. Now this, we're gonna make a hole in here. Alright, so we're just gonna mark it down. We can mark it with the pen. Then we're gonna make a hole in there. Let me get my tools to make a hole. Alright guys, we made a hole already. Now we're gonna install the other one. Sorry guys, I only have one hand. It's kind of tight, okay. Let me just do this with my hand. Nice and tight. Now that's gonna be like that, and then we're gonna put the screw, 4 screws, so this thing will not move. It will more secure. Alright. Okay, screws installed. These things is installed. Now we're gonna do the wiring. So, where's the wire? Sorry guys, I don't have enough hand. So there's 2 wires. Red is positive and the black is negative. So what we're gonna do is positive and positive. And negative to negative, and this is negative. Okay, and we have fuse in line here, so the fuse that I told you is just the next is we're gonna put it in here, but problem is this is different, but we're gonna make some adjustment. Okay, hold on 1 second. Right guys, this thing, these connectors, we're just gonna cut it here so it will go inside in there. Alright, so just give me 1 second. How can I do this? I don't have hands to hold it. Alright, but the other one I already cut it and inserted there. That's the positive. So Okay, so this is what I did. I folded it like this, and we're gonna insert it there, and let's see if we get the 12 volts. Hold on one sec. Look at that. It's all done. Now we're gonna put back the screw. I didn't even take this off, so hold on a second. So there you go, guys. We upgraded the cigarette lighter and charger on my car. So, and that's it. And I bought this in the Amazon. So, and this is the old cigarette lighter. Look at that. See, now you got a new one. You got cover. You got USB-C and USB 3.0 connector socket. Alright, so again, this is DIY Toilets, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys like my video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe or make a like, share and comment. So, and that's it. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye. This is DIY Toilets signing off.